Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nushi, and today I'm coming at you guys with a brand new video. This is going to be a try on haul. So exciting. I have a jean try on haul for you guys from Fashion Nova. Yes, I got a bunch of Fashion Nova jeans that I wanted to show you guys. I want to show you guys my favorites. You guys know I work with Fashion Nova as a brand ambassador, and I've gotten a bunch of jeans from them throughout the past couple months I've been working with them. Some of them fit amazing, not all of them, but I want to bring you guys my favorites. So if you guys are interested, if you're a curvy girl, size 18 to 20, and you want some jean recommendations, especially if you're tall, I am 5'10", then this is the video for you, so keep on watching. All right guys, so the first jeans I'm going to show you guys today are these tall classic high-waisted jeans. They're called the classics, and they're in medium blue. You guys, these jeans are super long. They are the skinny leg jeans. These ones I did tailor. I'm just gonna preface this by saying that you don't have to tailor them, but I have a very unique body. My crotch is high, so a lot of the times pants will like sag in the crotch area. So what I find myself doing is tailoring the crotch so that it goes a little bit higher. That is a pro tip, because that also makes the jeans longer, if you guys are wondering. So they're even longer than they would have came. And I also tailored the waist, because my waist is smaller. I had to tailor the side so that my waist would come in just a little bit more. It's not a huge change. I do recommend sizing up. So in these pants, I got a size 20. I lied. In these pants, I got a 3X so that I could tailor it to my perfect shape, and it worked out beautifully. They have no pockets, so I just wanted to say that. They have no front pockets. They do have back pockets, but no front pockets for the girlies who do like to put their hands in their pockets. I know that might be an issue for you, so I just wanted to say that part. But I really love these jeans. They're great quality. I've had them for a while now, and I've worn them. They don't thin out in the thigh area. They don't make any sort of weird texture in the thigh area either after washing. I absolutely love these, so definitely check these jeans out. These ones are really good. These next jeans are the Call It Easy wide leg jeans in the medium light wash. These are the light wash ones. These jeans are super cute. You know, as a curvy girl with a small waist, natural or unnatural, I'm natural, but even if you've had like a BBL, it's really hard to find mom jeans that fit your waist. And that's why I find myself tailoring my jeans a lot. But with these jeans, I didn't have to do that, because they come with a drawstring that cinches in your waist perfectly. They're also really long. I didn't have to alter it at all. I didn't have to tailor the crotch at all. These were the perfect fit. I'm very impressed with these jeans. I did film this try on haul 3 times, so I lost all my footage from the first time, so I'll include both clips of this jean. But I absolutely love them. Even when I lost weight and I wore these jeans, they fit perfectly because of that drawstring. So if you guys are wondering where you could get some wide leg, loose fitting, cool looking jeans that will fit your waist, these are the ones for you. These next jeans are the tall, our favorite high-rise skinny jeans in the color gray. These have like the distress look to them. Some of the distressing that you see is not real. Like, they're not, you can't put your fingers through them, but some of them are. I absolutely love these. I did tailor these in the crotch area as well, but I did not tailor the waist. They fit perfectly. They're so cute. This is like the perfect gray. Like, I feel like when I'm looking for gray jeans, this is the gray that I'm looking for. That lighter gray is not cute, and it fades in the wash, but these ones do not. I absolutely love the fit. They're stretchy, they're long, they're comfortable, and when I tailored the crotch, they were even longer. So definitely check these out. I definitely recommend them. All the links will be down below, and the sizing. I can't remember the size of these jeans off the top of my head, but these are my favorite gray jeans. And I have like 4 pairs of gray jeans. These ones definitely are my favorite. These next jeans are the tall Hometown Cutie Destroyed Mom jeans. These ones, I think they're in the medium wash. Let me check. Yeah, medium wash. So they are so cute. The waist is big for me. I just want to preface this by saying that the waist is big, but the thighs fit perfectly. And they're just so cute with the little distressing. They're long. They're not altered at all. They're super long. So if you do have a wider waist, these will fit perfectly, even with your thick thighs. My thighs tend to be bigger than the sizing of my waist, like when it comes to jeans. So the fact that these fit my thighs so well, I was able to, you know, sacrifice the waist part because these are really comfortable. They're not stretchy. They're, you know, very structured jeans. So I really like them. I just, you know, I work with them. I've taken multiple pictures in these jeans. I really love them, so definitely check them out. These next jeans are the tall, Killing Them Kindly high-rise jeans. These jeans, I really love them. With the little split on the side, killing it. I think these probably are my favorite jeans. Okay, no, not my favorite jeans that I own, but my favorite jeans that I own that are not like conventional jeans. These ones are the ones you could throw on with a heel if you want to, when you're going somewhere cool, a concert or to dinner. You can dress them up or down. These jeans are so cute. When I put these on and posted in these, everyone was like, where did you get those? Like, they're just fire. I'll insert both clips from both times that I tried them on. I really love these jeans. Like, I wish that, this is gonna sound weird, but I wish I was smaller and had these jeans, because I feel like they would look even better if they were just really like fitted to my body. And I can't unfortunately do that because of the sizing that I have to get. But watch when I snatch myself just a little bit more. My summer body is cooking. So don't worry, I'm gonna get snatched, and I'm gonna get these on a smaller size so they can fit to my frame perfectly, because these are fire. These are it. So if you can get them tight, I can't get them tight, like I said, because my thighs will not fit if they're too tight. They are stretchy though, but I just know, like, the vision that I have in my head, I just have to be a little bit smaller, because if I was to get a smaller size, they just wouldn't fit right. So yeah, check these out. These next jeans are the Canopy Jeans in the medium blue wash. These are my favorite jeans in my wardrobe. I love these jeans hands down. I've gotten them, I think, 3 times over the years. I've gotten them in black. I've gotten the white ones. The white ones, I'm just gonna say this, the white ones and the black ones do not fit the same as the denim material ones, like the jean ones. They have a dark wash and then they have the medium wash, and for some reason, the black and the white ones, I guess because of the material, they fit a little bit tighter. They run a little bit smaller, and I'll insert the clip of me trying on the white ones, because those do not fit. But the medium wash and the dark wash are my favorite jeans that I own. Like, they just are so comfortable and well-fitting. I did alter the crotch. Like I said, it's just something that I have to do. I do not penalize jeans for that, because my body's just, my thighs are really big, my crotch is really high. It's just, I have to do it. But I really freaking love these jeans. I love these jeans. Like, I love them. I want 80,000 pairs so I can just rotate them. Like, I wish they made them without the distress, like without the cutout knees, so that people wouldn't know I'm wearing the same jeans, because I would wear them every day. Like, favorite jeans hands down. I do think that if you have a smaller waist than mine, my waist is a 34 right now, the waist might be too big for you. You might have to size down. I do get a 3X in these, and like I said, I alter them, but I don't alter the waist, so it does get a little loose at the waist. But I like that, personally. Me personally, I like the loose waist. I feel like it's comfortable. I'm not bulging on the sides. It's not necessarily a high-rise jean for me, especially when I alter the crotch, so it doesn't bother me. But you can also wear a belt with it. So I don't own any belts. I need to buy some belts. I gave them away. I used to have all different belts. But yeah, get you some Canopy Jeans from Fashion Nova. And if you're a little bit smaller than me, get the black, get the white, get the denim ones. Get every color. These are the best jeans in the world. They have the perfect stretch. They're the perfect length, everything. Get these jeans. If you don't get any jean in this haul, get these ones. I promise you, you won't regret it. You won't. Okay. These next jeans are the Lost as Always stretchy baggy jeans in the color black. But these aren't really black. I just want to say that they're like an off black. They're like a faded black, almost gray. These are really stretchy, super stretchy. I wish I sized down. I think I'm gonna get one size smaller. I do like these though. I'm gonna keep them because I do like the baggy look. I really like the baggy look. So I am gonna keep them, but I'm just saying, I do wish I sized down in these next 3 pairs because they're just really, really, really stretchy and really, really, really comfortable. I could have sized down and they would have fit like normal jeans, but right now they're giving baggy. But I guess that's what they're called, right? So I definitely recommend them, especially if you're tall, because these fit really well. I do think I'm gonna tailor the crotch so that they can fit a little bit better and just be a little bit longer, but perfect. I would wear them just like this, so yeah. These next jeans are the Margot stretch trouser jeans. Again, these fit so well and they're so stretchy, I could have sized down. These jeans have that like thick band at the bottom. They almost make them look like almost dressy. Like I want to put a heel on. Like I don't want to wear these with sneakers. Like these are super cute. I think both of these jeans, the last one and this one, I would wear with a little heel. Cause like they're really cute. And like I would wear them with those bodysuits. You know those bodysuits that like come high up? Almost how my panties are doing. Cause why not? This is fire. This is a fire look. They're super, super stretchy. So if you have trouble wearing Fashion Nova jeans, finding Fashion Nova jeans as a plus size, tall girly, these are them. These are them. The last jeans, these jeans, and the next pair, these are them. They are so stretchy. They're going to fit you. 4X, they are going to fit you. I promise you, these are going to fit. These are so stretchy. Like, these materials, and they're thick. So you can wear them in the winter. Yes. 1000% yes. I love this color. Yes. These next jeans, these final jeans I'm going to show you guys are the Mixed Emotions long stretch jeans. These ones, I love them. This is probably my favorite one out of the baggy look, straight leg ones. These ones are almost like they give you that illusion of the fabric being non-stretch, but they actually are stretch. And they're so cute. They're so adorable. My sister called me on the phone when she saw me try these on and was like, because I posted like a little quick reel on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, this is my Instagram. But I posted in these jeans a picture and I did a reel, and she called me like, what are the names of those jeans? These are the jeans for me, because they are so cute. They're really stretchy, but they, like I said, they give the illusion that they're not. They also fit so freaking well. I'm glad I added this to my wardrobe because 1000% yes. Would I want the waist to be smaller? Absolutely. I'm gonna find a way to tailor them so that the waist is smaller, but the crotch, everything, the length, perfect. The length is like too perfect. They're so long. I love them. If you're taller than 5'10", buy these jeans. Even if you're smaller and you're not plus size, buy these jeans. Get a smaller size. These jeans, chef's kiss. Well, guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this jean haul. I haven't brought you guys a try-on haul in so long, and I felt like it was long overdue. So I really, really hope you guys enjoyed. I hope I helped, and I hope I was able to share some pieces with you that you'll be able to add to your collection. I'm also going to be selling for $10 each some of the jeans that I have that do not fit, so look out again on my Instagram. I'll put the Instagram on the screen for you guys, but also if you have some requests for any jeans and I have them, please comment down below and I will definitely send them to you, $10 each. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Please look forward to more consistency from me. I'm doing so much better. I'll also be doing a life update, I promise, and a skincare routine, updated skincare routine / updated skin status, everything, because as you can see, my skin is doing very well. So be on the lookout for that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nushi. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nushi.